well-traveled Indian is opting for world-class design concepts for his or her home. So when we talk of kitchens, European branded luxury modular kitchens is the rage today, and many are ready to shell out even lakhs for them. Let's take a look at what luxury modular kitchens are all about. The traditional Indian kitchen has undergone a luxurious makeover with branded contemporary modular kitchens. Indian home accessories brand Magpie is popular for its diverse range of modular kitchens for every taste. Magpie's award-winning Chef's Kitchen is one of its kind, as it's made entirely of a rare variety of Brazilian granite. And while the drawers may be made of heavy granite, the world's best sliding systems have been used for fluid movement. Breakfast by day and a bar by night, a magnetic wall for condiments and family notes, a discreet high-tech chimney, and an elegant basin that hides itself away are just some of the unique elements of a Magpie kitchen. The worktops in Magpie's modular kitchens are made of Korean, an acrylic material which is durable and strong and can be molded into any shape without joints. Hints of steel and wood add color and texture. And every drawer or cabinet that you open presents a stunning concept of functionality and style. Synonymous with innovation and excellence is Boffi, the master of contemporary kitchens. This Italian brand retails its stunning masterpieces at Delhi's Studio Creo. Take a look at Boffi's Due Melato series. The kitchen can be part of your living room, hidden behind cabinets which you can reveal when you like. You can even connect your smartphones to play music in your Boffi kitchen. The design philosophy of a Boffi kitchen is minimalism and functionality, and a Boffi kitchen promises superior quality materials and only the best in technology.
Boffi is, they have a wide variety of materials. They're the only brands that produce a certain kind of materials. So kitchen in a certain material, and they offer their technologically up there. Their products are very, very technologically friendly and good.
From the house of the Jindal Steel Group comes Artdenox, which specializes in pure stainless steel modular kitchens. An Artdenox kitchen comes with sleek modern lines and glossy finishes that can be customized in any color or texture of your choice. And the use of stainless steel means durability for a lifetime.
The moment I'm putting stainless steel as a kitchen option in the consumer's mind, it instantly gets connected as a hygienic environment where he or she will be cooking his food. Apart from that, all the problems which wood-based kitchen have, which is whether it is termite-related issue, pest management, or weathering effects like warping during monsoons or tough weather conditions, that gets completely eliminated by using stainless steel.
Artdenox also provides post-sale service for any defects or changes that the customer wishes anytime later. Brands like Boffi, Magpie and Artdenox and other players in the market like Pogopole and Vinita Cucini retail their modular kitchens from a starting price of 8 lakhs, which can go up to 80 lakhs depending on how much you want to indulge. Vasudha Sharma, Indie TV.